Hello viewers. So in my previous video I have just started the series and sequence chapter and preliminary idea about arithmetic progression. Now I have also told you the Tn ns term, about the ns term. Now I have to discuss some question from the ns term, okay, related to ns term. Now first question is here: the number of term common into the two AP 3 next 7, it is 7 next 7 11 dot 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 407 and 2 9 16 dot 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 709. So the number of common term. Now by here is the answer. Look at the answer. By observation, first common term is 23 in both the series, second is 51 and the third is 79. Now 23, 51, 79 form an AP with D is equal common difference is equal to 28 and A is equal to 23. So my T15 is equal to, as per formula, is 415, that is greater than 407, and T14 is equal to 387, that is less than 407. So obviously the number of common term should be 14, because we have take number of common term 15, then the series 23, 20, 51 and 79 dot 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 that AP exceeds 401, and that is the last term of the first series that is given. So the common term should be in between that. So there should be 14 term. Okay. So this is the answer of first question. Come to the next question. Another question. The question is number of numbers lying between 100 and 500 that is divisible by 7 but not by 21. Now look at the answer. Between 100 and 500, total number which is divisible by 7 is 105, 112, 119. This, okay. Let such number be n. Then 497 is equal to, we are applying the formula, taking the common difference as 7, so n is equal to 57. A number between 100 and 500 divisible by 21 is 105, 126, 147, 483. Let such numbers be m. Then 483 is equal to 105 into this common difference is equal to 21. So m is equal to my 19. Hence the required number is equal to 57 minus 19, that is 38. Okay. Next, moving to the next question, that is a series is given here. The series 3, 7, 11, 15 dot dot and 2, 5, 8 each continued to 100 terms. The number of terms that are identical, okay, each are continued to 100 terms. The number of terms that are identical we have to find. Now option should be, option C is here. Now what is the process of finding? Let n term the first series equal to ms term of the second series. So the number of terms that are identical, so let we can let the n term with identical with the ms term. So we have taken this. Now we have to equal Tn and Tm. Now for that we have doing this. That means 4n is equal to 3m. That means n by 3 is equal to m by 4 comes. That is equal to k. N is equal to 3k and m is equal to 4k. As each series continued to 100 terms, since each series continued to 100 terms, so n is equal to 3k, that should be less or equal to 100, and m is equal to 4k, that is should be also less or equal to 100. Okay. Now the possible value of k are 1, 2, 3, 25, and corresponding to each value of k we get the identical term Hence, there are 25 identical terms. What is the possible value of k? Why it is possible value of k? That is, if n is equal to k, 3k. If we take n is equal to 1, that is 3 comes. N is equal to 2, 6 comes. N is equal to 3, 9 comes. N is equal to 25, 75 comes. That is all less or equal to 100. M is equal to 4k. Again, at the last, if we take 25, then 100 comes. That less or equal to 100. So, there should be 25 identical terms. Okay. Next come to another question, that is important question. That question is given here. If 5 to the power 1 plus x plus 5 to the power 1 minus x, comma the a by 2 and 25 to the power x plus 25 to the power minus x are 3 consecutive terms of an AP. This is the one term, a by 2, this is another term, and 25 to the power x plus 25 to the minus x, this is another term. This is consecutive term of an AP, then the value of a is given by. Now these are the consecutive terms. That means 2 into middle term, 2 into mid term is equal to the sum of the pre-term plus post-term, that is given here. Now, so this relation comes. Now, if we put 5 to the power x equal to t, so that t greater than 0, we have a is equal to 5t plus 5 by t plus t square plus 1 by t square, because 5 to the power x is equal to my t. So from here we are getting this type of equation, and for solving that we are getting t minus 1 by t whole square plus 5 into root t minus 1 by root t whole square plus 12. So now since here 12 plus there will be some square term, so that should be equal to greater equal to 0, 12. Okay, so thus the value of a is given by the inequality a greater equal to 0. So a should be greater equal to 12. A should be greater equal to, so option A is my correct option. Next, question number 5. If 1 log y x log z y or the minus 15 log x z are in AP, then which of the following question is satisfying? Let D be the common difference of the AP. D is the common difference. Then log yx is equal to 1 plus D. Log yx is equal to 1 plus D. That's imply x is equal to y to the power 1 plus D. Similarly, log zy is equal to 1 plus twice D. Log zy 1 plus twice D. Z to the power 1 plus twice D. Log minus 15 log x to the power z 1 plus twice D. That is z is equal to x to the power minus this. So, continuing this process, x is equal to y to the power 1 plus d, that is z to the power 1 plus 2d, 1 plus d, x to the power 1 plus d, 1 plus 2d, 1 plus 3d to the power divided by 15. So that's implying this equal to 15. Now a cubic equation comes. Cubic equation of d comes here. Now d plus 2, that should be factorized, d plus 2 into this, that's implying d is equal to minus 2. D is my minus 2. That is x is equal to y to the power 1 plus d, that's implying y to the power minus 1, y is equal to z to the power 1 plus 2d, that's implying z to the power minus 3, and x is equal to z to the power minus 3 whole inverse is equal to z cube. So option C, that is x is equal to z to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1, that is z cube is my correct option. Next, another question. if three positive real number a, b, c are in AP such that ABC is equal to 4, then the minimum possible value of b is, we have to among this correct option. Okay, here is the solution. Let D be the common difference between of the AP, common difference of the AP. Then 4 is equal to ABC is equal to B minus D, B plus D. B minus D, B plus D is no, the term which I chosen about the, among the three terms which are in AP. I have told you earlier in my earlier video. That means equal to B is equal to B into B square minus D square. Now from here we are getting BQ is equal to 4 plus BD square, that is greater equal to 4, and that's implying B greater equal to 2/3. Since B greater than 0, B is also greater than 0 and D square also greater equal to 0, so B cube must be greater equal to 4. That's implying B greater equal to 2/3. So the minimum possible value of B is equal to 2/3. So that is my correct option. So that's it. Now there should be one more question. There are 4 numbers which are in, the first 3 are in GP. Now since GP I have not started yet, or I have not given any concept about GP series, so I will not show you the solutions of that and not explaining that solution. Now till then keep watching. I will definitely start GP series, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates, to get more solutions, more topics and much more video. Okay, thank you.